Welcome back to the next video of the series where we are learning how to create YouTube channel and how to manage YouTube channel using screen readers. In the last video we have already seen that how you can add logo, banner and watermark for your channel. Now we are in the basic info tab. There we will customize our title, description and so on. Okay. So now I'm pressing down arrow.
Button view channel. Button unavailable cancel. Button unavailable publish.
Publish.
Heading level 2 name.
Name.
Choose a channel name that represent are visible only on YouTube days. Enter channel name they are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. You can change your name twice in 14 days.
So within 14 days you can change your name up to 2 times. I'm pressing down arrow again.
Enter channel name edit accessible computing Hindi.
So if you want to change the channel name, you can change. Otherwise, you can keep it.
Heading level 2 handle.
Handle. Now it is very important to understand or to distinguish your channel from others. You need to set your unique handle. Let's say you have opened a channel called Accessible Education. Another one also create another channel called Accessible Education. Now, how people will find that which is the original channel of Accessible Education? This is why you need to create handles. Not only this, your handle, your channel handle will always visible after the comments and at the top of your channel. Whenever any people search by using your channel handle, they can easily reach to your channel. Moreover, if you type youtube.com/@ then the channel handle, then you can reach your channel. For example, if you type accessible computing after this youtube.com/@ then you can reach to our channel. So channel handle is very important. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days.
Okay, so twice in 14 days you can change your handle, like the name.
At.
Set
your handle edit accessible computing Hindi me 6tx.
Let's see.
Set your A C A C A C.
So I'm choosing
CESSIB blank X blank X T 6 I.
C.
Set your handle edit accessible computing Hindi. Access A C C S S I B L E C O M P U T I N G H I N D I dash M I blank.
So I'm just
dash
remove this.
I blank.
C.
Accessible computing Hindi.
Let me check whether the handle is available, because handles should be available. Other than that, it will not work.
https://www.youtube.com/@accessible computing Hindi.
Yes, it's available.
Set your ACCSSIBLECOMPUTINGHINDI blank.
Okay, so this is our channel handle and this is the link.
https://www.youtube.com/@accessible computing Hindi.
Okay. Next.
Heading level 2 description.
Description.
Clickable. Tell viewers about your channel. Your description will appear in the About section of your channel and search results, among other places. Section multi-line editable. Tell viewers about your channel.
Now here you need to enter the channel description, whatever you want to write. You need to write a good channel description because it always represents what is about, what are the topics you discuss in your channel. So write a good description. If you want to know more about how to write a good description, then you can let us know into the comment section. We will teach you how you can write a good YouTube description.
And search result out of set button add language.
Then add language. Don't need to do anything here.
Heading level 2 channel URL.
Channel URL. This is the actual URL with your channel ID.
This is the standard web but numbers and letters at the end of edit read only. HTTP button copy.
Then copy.
Heading level 2 links.
Then links. You can add your social media links to this channel. Okay, so they're very easy.
Share external links with your viewers. Button add link.
Add link.
Heading level 2 contact info.
Then contact info.
Let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address you enter may appear In the About section of your channel and be visible to viewers. Clickable email.
Okay, so
Email address edit.
So here you can provide an business email. There viewers can contact with you for business purposes. So these are few fields which you need to fill up and then click on publish to publish that. So let me click on
Add
publish.
copy, add publish, cancel, publish button.
Now I didn't add any description
Go
and
to
I
channel
didn't
button,
add
alt.
any links because adding social links I will show you in another video of this series. Not in the next video, in another video. So in the next video we will cover how actually you can upload a video. So we have prepared a video and we will upload it and we will teach you how you can upload the video and how you can give the titles, descriptions, tags and select the playlists. See you in the next video of the series. Thank you for watching.